spicy and tasty chicken wings in lemon butter sauce. Yum! This is a delicious dish which you can savor as you like. This dish is definitely mouth-watering due to its different textures and flavors. As you bite into it, you will feel the crispy texture outside and juicy texture inside. The creamy texture of butter and the tangy flavor of lemon is going to complement the flavors of chicken along with the fragrance of herbs and spices. Let me show you how to prepare this easy dish. Welcome to my channel V Ideas. If you are new to my channel, then do consider subscribing. Let's get started. For this recipe, I am using 10 chicken wings. Ensure to clean it well. I have already cleaned the chicken wings. Now, let's cut the wings. Before cutting, make sure to pat dry or slightly air dry the chicken. Otherwise, there are chances that the knife may slip and you might get hurt. So, there are 3 parts in a chicken wing: the drummet, the winglet or flat, and the wingtip. Spot the joint and carefully run your knife through the joint. If you have difficulty to cut through the drummet and winglet, then gently give it a snap. After that, you should find your knife running smoothly through the meat. For this recipe, we aren't going to use the wingtip. Hence, you can either discard them or store it in the freezer for your chicken stock. I have kept the chicken wings for marination in chili powder, turmeric powder, and salt for about 30 minutes. You can also add a pinch of baking soda, which is optional. To coat the chicken wings, I am making a dry mix using half a cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of chicken 65 powder, this is optional, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1/4 a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of mixed herbs, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 a teaspoon of baking soda, and finally add some salt to taste. Empty it into a Ziploc bag and give it a good mix. Now, add slowly the marinated chicken wings into the bag and seal it with some air inside. Gently give it a nice roll so that the dry mix coats all the chicken wings. This method helps to coat the chicken with the dry mix evenly. Dust off the excess dry mix from the chicken wings and spread them on a plate. If you like your chicken wings to have more of a crispy and meaty texture from outside, then you can directly fry them in hot oil. I will name this as first method. If you like your chicken wings to have a thick crispy coating, then follow the second method. Empty the dry mix into a bowl. Then crack open 2 eggs and beat it until you get a uniform consistency. Now, take the coated chicken wings and first dip it in the egg mix and later coat it again with the dry mix as shown in the video. Dust off the excess powder and then deep fry it in hot oil. If you don't dust off well, then there are chances that some of the powder might settle at the bottom of the pan while frying. Fry all the sides evenly and then strain them out of oil once done. Using the second method, you will get a crispy, thick coat around the chicken like this. And using the first method, you will get a flavorful, crispy, thin layer around the meat like this. Try out both the methods and do let me know which was your favorite method in the comment section below. Now let's prepare the flavorful, my favorite lemon butter sauce with easily available ingredients. I am using 2 cubes of unsalted butter, 8 to 10 diced shallots, 2 to 4 chopped green chilies, a handful of chopped cilantro, and 4 to 5 tablespoons of lemon juice. Add 2 cubes of butter into a hot pan on low flame and melt them. As I'm using unsalted butter, I will later add the salt to taste. Ensure to keep the flame on low throughout. Once the butter melts completely, add the diced shallots to it. Also add the chopped green chilies. Ensure to add the spice level according to your palate. This smells heavenly. As the shallots start to turn translucent, add the salt to taste. Give it a thorough mix. Add the cilantro to the pan and saute well. Once you see that the herbs have released all of its juices, add the lemon juice. Give it a gentle mix and then let it come to a boil. Add some sugar to it to balance out the flavors. Place the fried chicken wings one by one into the sauce. Then give them a gentle toss to coat each chicken wing evenly with our lemon butter sauce. Plate it and serve it hot. You can also garnish it with some sesame seeds, lemon, green chili, and herbs. Enjoy it as it is or with your favorite dip. As you enjoy this dish, keep smacking your lips. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you soon. Until then, Vidya signing off.